Good morning, y'all. This is Joe at Wet Hair Farm. We just got up. It's Friday morning. We just now got outside, but it's snowmageddon. We got probably, I don't know, 10 inches or more, and it's not good. You can't walk in it. It's still snowing. It's pretty, but what a mess. Won't be able to go anywhere. I don't know if we got quite this much down at the farm or not, but I hadn't looked on the security camera. May try to go down there tomorrow. I don't think I'm gonna try it today. I don't care if you got four-wheel drive or not. They say some of the roads are impassable. Almost need snowshoes. Here comes T-Bo. He don't mind it. Do you, bud? He'll be wore out son of a gun like me. But anyway, I just wanted to get on here and let y'all see what's happening here in Arkansas. I think this is going through Tennessee and Mississippi and all that. We hadn't had a snowfall like this in years. They always have one or two, 3 or 4 inches, but this is a real McCoy right here. That dog gonna be wore out. Look at that daggone snow beard you got, boy. Come on, we're gonna go back and get another cup of coffee. Get by the fire. Check on the chickens. Make sure the chickens are okay. Can you get under the fence? Huh? Lord have mercy. All right, come on. We're gonna go. You need to eat breakfast. We'll come back out after a while. He likes this stuff. Give you an idea how deep the snow is. That's my utility trailer. Here's my new truck. I finally got a truck. Took forever. Look on the top. Look up here on the hood. Oh man, I almost stepped off in the hole. That's unreal. Here's the good old farm truck. It's loaded up too. It's squatting now. It's got so much snow on it. There's the driveway. The road's kind of, I don't know if they plowed the road, and look at it piled up in front of my driveway. All right, y'all, we appreciate y'all watching this. I just want to make a little video of the snow we got last night and this morning. I think it's supposed to move on out, and then tomorrow will be Saturday, supposed to warm up, so that'll melt a lot of it. It's real pretty, but it's kind of hard to do your chores and stuff when it's like this. I mean, you can sit inside in the front of the fireplace where it's nice and warm. But anyway, hey, y'all like and subscribe to our channel. Sure would appreciate it. Y'all stay warm, stay safe, stay rough around the edges. God bless.